Good morning, students. As your home science teacher, we have started your first chapter of class 11th, that is Introduction to Home Science. So, students, first of all, we have gained the knowledge of home science. What is actually home science means? So, students, home science is a subject not only about home, it is a multidisciplinary field that would empower the students to improve their own quality of life and that of other members of the family. Home science as a subject has been taught as both higher secondary and college level for years in different parts of our country. With the changing time, there was a need to expand this field from being associated with household activities alone and a new nomenclature, that is human ecology and family science. So, students, what people think about it, what actually people think about it, that is, do you make food? You must be learning to stitch clothes. What is about some home decor thing? Do they teach you some household chores? You must be a art student learning art and craft. But students, it's actually deals with home science actually deals with the interpersonal communication among us family members, the family you care for, food that you eat, the house that you live in, the clothes that you wear, the resource that you use, the environment around you, and the skill and environment that lead to successful career. So come on the next slide. What changes it bring in life? What home science changes bring in life? That is, home science covers a few areas of specialization such as food and nutrition, communication and extension, resource management, human development, fabric and apparel science. We learn and develop good interpersonal relationship within the outside of the family. We also learn to manage our resource like time, energy, and money so that we get maximum satisfaction. Home science also involve learning the skills intending all the useful to our family or community, especially the underprivileged for better life. Come on the next slide. Evolution of the discipline of home science. The teaching of home science in India has a short history between 1920 to 1940 under the British administration. Home science, referred to as a domestic science, home craft, or domestic economy, was introduced in some schools and colleges. The princely state of Baroda was one of the first to introduce home science in secondary school. The history of home science at college and university was made in 1932 at Delhi in Lady Irwin College. Then in 1938 Madras University accepted home science at the degree level, and the well-known and pioneering home science colleges in Chennai are the Queen Mary's College and the Women's Christian College, which appeared in the Indian Horizon in 1942. The Avi Nashlingam Home Science College, Comter, headed by Dr. Rajamamai P. Devadas, contributed greatly towards expansion of this interdisciplinary course at various levels, starting from school to PhD. The Agriculture Institute of Allahabad had also started a home science diploma course in 1935, and it became a university level department in 1945. Other understanding home science colleges which have developed since 1950 are universities at Comter, Ludhiana, Mumbai, Udaipur, and Tirupati. Then in mid 1960 to 1970s, agriculture universities recognized the need for teaching home science. The Home Science Association of India had taken its root and Baroda under the guidance of Dr. Fleming P. Kettrell and Dr. Leela Shaw and Miss Dorothy Pearson. In 1951, the first Convention of the Association met at Chennai in 1952, where the constitution of the association prepared by Miss Pearson of Women's Christian College, Chennai was adopted. The broad objectives of the association are to raise the standard of home science education in schools and colleges and to make homes and families healthier and happier. The publication of the association is the Indian Journal of Home Science. The Indian Home Science Association has been represented at the International Federation of Home Economics. Come on the next slide. Meaning and importance of home science. The study of home science helps each people lead a more satisfying personal, family and community life because of the knowledge, understanding, skills and appreciation of culture and spiritual values a people acquired through home science education. Unlike other subjects, home science is a practical science one applies in everyday life. As a practical subject, it offers maximum opportunity to express one's ability to take up things and develop leadership quality. Home science education develops qualities needed for responsible citizenship. Home science education helps people to recognize the importance of food in healthy living, teaches how to prepare food by retaining its nutrients and the importance of balanced diet. It also enables one to sort out family problems and find out solution for them. Next is your home science education helps one to start self-employment and become a wage earner at a younger age. The curriculum imparts to take intelligent decisions concerning the use of material and resources. The student becomes efficient to nurture and take care of the young to foster their healthy growth and development. Moreover, one gains technical knowledge and information from various branches of home science for both personal and professional use. So next is your major areas in home science. There are 5 different areas of specialization in home science. Each branch offers postgraduate courses and facilities for research. The 5 major areas in home science are: first is your human development, second is family and community resource management, third is food and nutrition, fourth is textile science, and fifth is extension education. Human development deals with the development of a child from conception to old age. Next, under family and community resource management, time, money, energy and space management are the main topics for studies. Next, in food and nutrition, food science and nutrition are included. Chemistry of food, nutrient retention, sources of nutrients, nutritive value of food, and judicial mixing of food are scientifically instructed in food science. Textile science includes all details about textile, fiber and fabric construction process, namely spinning, weaving, printing, dyeing, etc. Basic principles of apparel designing and construction are also taught. In extension education, basics of program planning, preparation of audio-visual aids, social work, applied nutrition, method of communicating with the society, etc. are to be taught in extension education. Next, the main course is the scope of the home science, educational and vocational courses. Home science teaching has sustained itself as a major employment sphere in research and in extension of social services. Nursery schools, family planning agencies, family counseling centers, pre-primary training centers, agricultural research centers, social welfare departments, international agencies like United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, that is UNICEF, Food and Agriculture Organization, that is FAO, Cooperative for American Live Everywhere, that is CARE, are some of the areas where home science graduate and postgraduate can find suitable places. Nutritionists, nutritional consultants, dietitians, food experts and scientists in Central Food Technology Research Institute, National Institute of Nutrition are some of the other career opportunities. Above all, home science offers more scope for self-employment opportunities compared to other subjects. Fashion designing, star tailoring unit, catering unit, nursery school, family counseling centers, food processing center and preservation units are some of the areas where a home science graduate can explore self-employment. Now students, let us sum up. Home science is an art as well as a science. Though it is a recently developed branch of science, it has achieved tremendous development through years. It helps everyone to lead a happy and satisfying personal and social life, and also to develop qualities of good citizenship. There are five major areas in home science with various educational and vocational prospects. The five major areas in home science are human development, family and community resource management, food and nutrition, textile science and extension education. Human development deals with the development of a child from conception to old age. Family and community resource management gives an idea about managing various resources, mainly time, money, energy, and space properly. Consumer education principles are basic of design and are also included in this area. In food and nutrition, basics of chemistry of food, basics of meals planning, dietetics management during disease condition, etc. are detailed. Textile science deals with the property of various fiber, fabric construction method, and basic principles of apparel designing. So students, that is all for the introduction to home science. So thank you.